Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost someone's story on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and then you need to open any person's story. Okay, then you need to click on three dots on the top right, and here you need to click on share, and then you need to click on copy link, and then you need to download an application that is Repost from the Play Store. Open that, and you can see a link is detected, and in few seconds you can see a story of a person will be shown here. So wait for few seconds. It will depend on your internet speed as well. If your internet speed is fast, it will take less seconds. So might be my internet speed is little bit slow, that why I see a huge delay here. Okay, and then you need to click on that, and here you can see two options: add to story, send direct. Click on add to story. So here you can see that you can now easily share someone's story onto your story. Click on share. So this is a process by which you can easily share someone's story onto your story on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.